What up, guys? It's your boy Larry Wise back here again with another video. This time I'm just going to be doing a little construction or a little project, I guess. Found my old PSP, or I guess I just held onto it for all these years. And I just remember back in the day when I had it, I went over a friend's house and something fell on top of it. It cracked the screen, and I just never got the screen fixed over time. And now, I mean, since we're in quarantine, shout out to Quarantine and Chill. Since we're in quarantine mode, I figured, why not order, some of the parts to try to get it fixed and whatnot, see if I can hack it or whatever, and, try to put some games on it, or, try to make it a useful piece of technology again, or a useful gaming device again. So that's what this video is today. I'm gonna set up my camera in a way to where I can just kind of, I guess, record myself, just kind of fucking with it. And we're gonna try to replace the screen. It has a cracked screen. I got a new back for it, or at least a new battery case. I bought a new battery for it a while ago. Got the tool to help me crack it. Here's the new screen. Ooh. Yeah, here's my old PSP. Back in the day, man, I used to be on this hoe. Look at that. Screen is fucked. So yeah, hopefully I can replace the screen and we can get this fixed and do the damn thing. So yeah, that's the video today. Let's get it. What up, YouTube? Welcome to my video. Today we're gonna be fixing up my PSP here, which I'm stuck in. Let's get to this. Like I said, I got a new back. Let me test this out while I have the battery in here. Jesus. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Yeah. Because I don't know whether this one is just like bent or fucked up, but it just won't close all the way. So hopefully with a new back, yep, see, that one slid on nice. Yep, this one was just fucked up. Nice, okay. Well, the new back works. It works. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna try to give y'all more of the PSP or not. Alright, sweet. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. It's on there nice. It's on there nice and good. Like I said, this whole just something landed on top of it back when I was at a homie house, landed right on top of it and just fucked up my screen, man. Fucking sucks. And I was without this PSP for years, man. Freaking years. Just upsetting. But, yeah. Shit happens, man. Shit happens. Actually flip that over. That'll be a good little bucket for my screws. Battery. Well, I don't need to take out the, well, yeah, I'll take it out just in case. I need to order new buttons, I guess. That'll be like the next thing to do. Because I guess I want to like customize this and like make it look super dope. And this is supposed to have the necessary tools in the bottom. Like so. Just pop out. Oh, I'm like, what the fuck? You gotta fucking really screw it. I'm like, what? Let's see now. I'm a dumbass. It's okay.
I could use. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like chipped, like right here. I don't know, it's not focusing. Yeah, there it goes. It's like chipped. So I'm gonna have to get a new set of trigger buttons. That'll be interesting. Okay, now I need to pick up this bar right here, I believe. It's like a bar. There it goes. Take that out. There's supposed to be like a little clip here somewhere. I think I'm gonna leave that attached because the way other videos made it seemed like you just clip it out, but I don't see it just clipping out, so I'm gonna leave it there. And then from here, I guess we'll find a way to like I was able to get that side of it, but this side is a little bit more persistent. It doesn't want me to fucking lift it. There we go. Trying my best not to just like straight Hulk it out of here, but it's not just jumping out of here either. So, but I think it's because it's like it's kind of clipped in here. Yeah, it is. It's kind of clipped in here. There we go. There we go. There we go. That one apparently opens from the bottom. Just pull that on out of there. And this one should come out of there as well. There's the old screen. Yeah. Set this over to the side. Let me grab my rag. Yeah, I can clean the inside of here. Okay, and here's my new screen. Fresh new screen. Ice it. Take the rag, wipe it off, give it a few wipes, keep it clean, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Try to get the cleanest quality 1080p quality that we can. It's just a rubber border for it. No. Come off. No. Come off. Get off. Gripping more from this end, then place that in that corner. There we go. All fell into place. Flip this over. Actually, let me give it one more wipe down. I got a couple smudges in the corners. Okay. It will go in this way. So all we need to do is just slide all. Oh, hold on. That's one. If I can grip it, so whatchamacallit. Oh. It's because I'm trying to like hold up the screen and like hold the PSP so that way I can like brace and push. It's hard to tell. There he goes. There he goes. Alright. Just fold it down in there. Kind of have to give like the bottom side a little bit of leeway so that way it can get in there. Okay. Okay. Put this back at the bottom. Set that back in place. So make sure all buttons are peeking out, poking. Things settled in. Alright, let's put the screws back in. Let's start out with these. Well, actually, let's start out with this bottom one. Put the old screen back in here. Here comes the scary part. Seeing if this screen is legit. The analog back on there. Alright. See if she boots. Ooh. Ooh. We got a new screen. Haha. We got a new screen. Yes, si senor. Yes, sir. Hey. You know the video is probably like flipped in a million ways. All right. She's still alive. She's still a boot. She's still a boot. All right. Now it's time to soup this hoe out. Do some shit on this hoe. Ooh. Figure out, see if I can find some new right and left trigger buttons. I almost want to say get a new back, but I think this is fine. If I could find like a whole new casing, like a whole new shell. I had seen a green one on Amazon, but that hoe was like, it was for the, I think the 2000 model, so it wouldn't have worked on this one. We back in shape, bruh. Look at that shit. That's crazy. The PSP is back. Alright. Well, that was cool. We did it. We did the damn thing. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you fuck with me, leave a like. If not, leave a dislike. Leave a comment down there somewhere. Use your keyboard. It's right here. Whatever. And, you know, subscribe to the channel and just, you know, fuck with your boy. I hope y'all appreciated this. It was pretty cool making it. It might be a very long video, but we'll get through it or whatever. Yeah, whatever. I love you guys. I'm out this hole. Deuces.